How to cook a perfect 3 pounds meatloaf.
Hey there! In today's video, we're going to discuss how to cook a delicious 3 pounds meatloaf. If you've been wondering about the right temperature and time, you're in the right place. Let's dive in.
Why is the cooking time important?
The cooking time of a meatloaf ensures it is cooked through completely, yet remains juicy and flavorful. Too little time and it might be undercooked, posing health risks. Too much time, and you risk drying out your meatloaf.
So, how long do I cook it?
For a 3 pounds meatloaf, cooked at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, you'll typically want to cook it for about 1 hour and 15 minutes. However, the most accurate way to check its doneness is with a meat thermometer. Your meatloaf should reach an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit before it's considered safe to eat.
Any tips for perfect meatloaf?
Absolutely. Here are a few. 1. Don't overmix. When combining your ingredients, be gentle to ensure a tender meatloaf. 2. Let it rest. After pulling your meatloaf out of the oven, let it rest for about 10 minutes. This helps the juices redistribute, ensuring a moist slice. And that's how you cook a 3 pounds meatloaf to perfection at 350 degrees. Remember, always prioritize safety by checking the internal temperature. Happy cooking, and I hope your meatloaf turns out deliciously satisfying.